Welcome to the world of dance, where movement becomes an art and fitness is unleashed. Today, we're going to explore the incredible fitness benefits that dance has to offer. So, let's dive right in. Dance is more than just graceful movements and captivating performances. It's a fantastic way to improve your overall fitness and well-being. Dance is an amazing cardiovascular workout. It gets your heart pumping, increases blood circulation, and boosts your endurance. Dance strengthens and tones your muscles, giving you a lean and sculpted physique. Different dance styles target various muscle groups, providing a full-body workout. Dance enhances your flexibility and range of motion. Stretching and extending your muscles during dance routines improve joint mobility, reducing the risk of injuries. Dance is a powerful mood booster. As you move to the rhythm and express yourself through dance, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that uplift your spirits and reduce stress. Dance creates a sense of community and belonging. Joining dance classes or performing in groups fosters social connections, building a supportive environment that inspires and motivates you to keep dancing. There's a dance style for everyone, catering to diverse interests and fitness goals. So, whether you prefer the elegance of ballet, the energy of hip-hop, or the passion of salsa, you can find your groove and unleash your inner dancer. Dance is all about having fun. It's an opportunity to let loose, express yourself, and enjoy the sheer joy of movement. The best part: you're getting fit while having a blast. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced dancer, young or young at heart, it's time to embrace the fitness benefits of dance and unleash your full potential. Get ready to move, groove, and transform your fitness journey with the power of dance. It's time to step onto the dance floor and let the rhythm ignite your passion for a healthier, fitter, and happier you. Unleash the fitness benefits of dance and let your body and soul soar.